What's up, guys? We are now doing the introduction paragraph assignment. This one's going to be super easy and super quick. All we're doing is literally doing some computer stuff right here. You should have everything done that you need for this, plus this document here to work off of. So when you open up the instructions here on Google Classroom, be sure to read these instructions. Okay, they help a lot. Open up your outline. So I'm going to pretend I'm you for this. Okay, remember I saved everything in my folder. I'm going to click and open up that outline. I've already got it open. Okay, there it is. All right. My next set of instructions here say in an additional browser window, open up my paper. Okay, so my paper. Okay, I'm going to open up this report example because that technically is my paper. Actually, no, you know what? I'm going to open up one of these blank ones so that it looks more like yours. Okay, all right. So here's your blank paper. I should have filled out all this stuff. Yours should be filled out. You've worked on that. Okay. All right, the next one, copy and paste the introduction from the report example to your paper. Now this is the step that's important. This is the report example that I've attached to the assignment, okay? So if I click on that, it opens it up. And I'm just getting this introduction paragraph. So this introduction paragraph is right here. Now, there's two ways to do this, okay? If you want, just copy up to where the thesis statement starts, okay, because you already wrote your thesis statement, okay? If you want to copy the whole thing and do it that way, that's cool. I would just do this. So remember, you can right click and copy. I'm going to push Control C, okay? And then my directions say to paste that, okay? Paste that to the report, or from the report to my paper. So my paper has my name and stuff on it, okay? I can just take this right here, right where this paragraph starts, Control V, push enter to get this crap out of the way. You can delete all that stuff if you want to. We don't need the lorem ipsum dolor sit omit, blah, 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 all that stuff. Don't worry about that, okay? I'm just pasting that where it goes. Notice that I have this indented here because I pasted exactly where that first paragraph started, okay? Next piece of information it tells me to do, I'm following directions. Copy and paste your outline underneath the introduction paragraph, okay? I've got my outline right here. Now, when I'm talking about my outline, wait for the bell. I'm talking about this whole thing, okay? So I'm just gonna take all this, okay, that I have. Again, Command C, or for you, Control C, or you can right click and copy and go back up to my paper. And then I'm going to paste that. Okay, and I'm going to do it right underneath here. Okay, so I'm going to paste that. Okay, and it's going to get all that stuff down under there. All right. The only thing I have left to do, I'm going to make sure that says that in my, okay. Well, my instruction says merge your thesis statement and the rest of the introduction paragraph to make it yours. Okay, so do that. What I mean by that is, okay, this is the last sentence. These are my first sentences that I gave you, okay? So I'm just gonna delete that part and push backspace till it goes up there. There it is. Now, I do have some underlining here, and I'm gonna show you how to take that away. Okay, when I select this, I click this U up here, it goes away, okay? If some of you guys still have that, that's how to get it out of there. Take that away. Select what you have underlined, take that underline away, okay? Now, I've got my entire introduction paragraph, okay? Now, this stuff that we pasted on here, all this outline stuff, this is for the body paragraphs. Okay, I've got another video coming out telling you how to do all that stuff, but literally I'm giving you an assignment with a grade just to copy and paste stuff, okay? Do it. Follow the instructions. It's pretty simple. I don't think it's hard, but it does take a little bit of skill with the computer, okay? Copying and pasting and stuff, making it look right, okay? Making sure all this stuff is done. And again, if you started from the bottom, worked your way up to the top on these assignments. You got everything like it's supposed to be. If something's missing, something was screwed up with your previous assignment that made this not look exactly what I did, okay, you might want to go back and redo that assignment that you got a 15 out of 30 on, or a 20 out of 30 on, or something like that. You might be missing something, okay? So as long as you have done every assignment up to this point, you're ready to go, okay? We're ready to go right after this, okay? So you're going to turn in the paper that you pasted all this stuff on, okay? But we'll get to why did we paste the outline on here? Well, we're going to use it as a tool to write with. It's kind of an extra step with technology. You can do this a little bit easier. It's right there for us when we're writing, okay? All right, make sure to turn in the paper document with all the pasted material. That's what you're turning in, okay? So a few steps, not a big deal. Turn it in, get 20 points. Ready to go.